Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to quickly reinstall or reset your Windows Microsoft Store. So let's take a look how to do that. In order to do that, I am going to share with you within 2 steps how you can fix that. Go on your start menu icon and right click over there and click on Windows PowerShell admin. And a new screen will appear here. You have to type a comment. I will put this comment link in my video description. Simple, you can copy and paste it here. After paste it here, hit in your keyboard enter, and then you will see your Microsoft Store going to be reset or reinstalled. And simply close this screen whenever it appears like this, and then just go on restart your PC and then see your Microsoft Store is working properly or not. If it is not, let me share to the second step. Go on start menu icon and then click on setting, and then new screen appear here. Click on apps and then search here, type store, and then you will find here Microsoft Store. Simply choose this and then click on advanced option, and new screen appear here. All the way come down and then you will find here reset. Simply click here reset and then click on reset, and it's going to be reset your Microsoft Store. And then simply restart your PC and then see your Microsoft Store is working properly or not. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.